गोंय राज्य पुराय संवसारांत खेळाचें केंद्र जावचें अशें आपल्याक दिसता आनी ते खातीर आपूण वावुरतलो अशें खेळा मंत्री गोविंद गावडेन सांगलें. साजुजे दी आरियल वाठारांत सरकारी शाळेच्या खेळा मैदानाचो बुनयादी फातर घातल्या उपरांत तो पत्रकारां कडेन उलयतालो. गोंयच्या दरेका गांवांत खेळा मैदान आसचे, दरेका तरणाट्यान खेळांत बरी कामगिरी करून गोंयचें आनी देशाचें नांव वयर काडचें अशें आवाहनय खेळा मंत्र्यान ह्या वेळार केलें. अंडर 17 फिफा वर्ल्ड कप आनी राष्ट्रीय खेळ सर्तीच्या आयोजनाचेरूय मंत्री गोविंद गावडेन ह्या वेळार उलोवप केलें. राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्ती खातीर साधन सुविधांचो उणाव आसा, ताका लागून आनीक 5 ते 6 म्हयने तरी राष्ट्रीय खेळा सर्तीचें आयोजन करपाक मेळचें ना अशें तांचें म्हणणें.
National Games, we are also received a letter from the IOA, that is the Indian Olympic Association, for hosting the 36th National Games in the month of 1st to 6th of September. But due to the incomplete infrastructure, it is very difficult for us to host it during the stipulated period of time. And that's why we have asked to the IOA and the Government of India, the Union Ministry, for giving me a breathing space of almost 5 to 6 months. I am also planning for the Khelo India, and as far as the Asian Beach Games are concerned, they are promoting, because Goa is the, I would like, my dream is, the answer to your question, my dream is that Goa should be a sporting hub at the entire globe. And that is what I am promoting, the sports. If we want to promote the sports, the infrastructure should be proper in place. And that is why only dream that our own Goan players or the Goan's boys and girls should excel not at the national level but the international level.